Hello friends, myself Khushi from Standard 10. Today I shall give a small speech on the Teacher's Day. Teacher is a God that gives us the right path of the way. Teacher, after the parents, one is come that is known as the teachers. Teachers that shows the right way of our life. They are not only teaching but also giving us good manner. They are also showing the right path of the way. If any, for example, is any students is going on the wrong way, then if the teachers know, they will show the right way of the life of the path. Teachers are always supporting to the students. They are also not only teaching but they are also giving the good knowledge of their life. They are also supporting to the students for their progress of their life. They are teaching the best way to give the success in their life. I am very thankful to all my teachers till now that show me the right way of my life. At the last, I shall say that Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you.